Okay, so here we are in Photoshop. Yeah, don't laugh, my Photoshop is super old. It's like, it's from 2000. It's even before Photoshop was whatever they call it. Anyway, so but it has all the same basic functions that you ever need, and I'm not going to pay per month. So I own this copy. This is mine, and it does everything I need it to do. So anyway, okay, so we need to take this black and white image. Now the easiest way to do it is just make it a targa. And so you could either come here, add a new channel. And why is that taking forever? Oh, it's on my other photo. It's on my other window. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we have the masked area. We can create an alpha like that, and then we can come back to RGB, come back to layers, and oh, I forgot to tell you to I had to insert this into the video. Control A to select the whole layer. So once you have the layer selected, Control A to select all the layer, and then when I pasted it into the channel after I created the channel, it was Control V. So sorry about that. I'm not sure, it has to be unlocked, and then paste it. Okay, and that's it. See, so we created an alpha, and then we just we created an alpha, and then we just copied and pasted that onto there. And now all you have to do is go File, Save As, and save it as a targa. TGA for short. And I'm going to put this on my desktop. Body dirt. 1 alpha. It has to be 32-bit. And okay. So now, okay, so that's one way. The other way you could do it is you could go new, 10 by 20, 20 by 24. Oh, sorry, that's wrong. Okay. Go new, but ask for a transparent background. Paste that. Now I'm going to select the wand and just hit delete. And then save that as a ping file. Okay. Example alpha 1 PNG. Well, and click none. Okay. You see, it wasn't 100%, but this is probably close enough. Okay. See, it's a little down and dirty, but it's probably worked just fine. Okay, so now I'm gonna so that's the two ways you can do it, and I am going to go into Second Life and upload them. So I'm gonna pause it here while I start Second Life. Okay, so here we are in Second Life. You know, first thing we need to do is upload our textures. So we're going to go Image. There's Photoshop. There's the TGA. And you can see it's transparent. Okay. And we're going to open that up. Okay. And we might also do the other one too, just to show that it does work. Oh, wait a minute. Let me get this out of the way. Image. And here's that. Here's that. Now, ping is actually, if you noticed, And I'm going to open that one up. If you noticed, the ping actually is a lot smaller. Now if I come back here to Photoshop, let's see, this is the one we made the ping out of. It should be, it's the same size. Yeah, 10 by 24. So the ping is actually much smaller than a TGA. So pings are actually much better to do this on. That way, like I said, if you make it a 10 by 24 texture, I don't know if it will make any difference loading it wise in Second Life, but yeah, you're just better off using pings overall. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to make an alpha. Okay, now my avatar here is not wearing any mesh clothing. These are all system clothes that I've applied. So I've used the system clothing to apply the texture to the avatar body, and I'm using an applier to apply the normal maps. So she looks like she's wearing mesh clothing, but she isn't. This is great for I'm working on this system, and I'm hopefully sometime I'll have it released, so that if you're making clothing for the MayaStar avatar, you'll be able to make stuff like underwear that will never poke through. And the nice thing about making clothes with system clothes and normal maps, and you can do specular maps as well, I think. Yeah, anyway, you can don't have to worry about rigging, and you never ever have to worry about poke through. Okay, so anyway, so how do you make, we take these textures and we're going to make an alpha. So you come to here, is it body parts? Create a new clothing alpha mask. Okay. Can you do this underneath clothing as well? Let's see if we go here to clothing. New clothes. Yeah, you can create it anywhere. We'll just stick with body parts. So you come here to new clothes, alpha mask, and we'll say example top alpha for video. Okay, so once you've made it, you have to add it, and you see it's baking. Okay, and then once you've added it, you can edit. Okay, and now, whoops, if I just move it out. Why isn't it letting me move it? There we go. Okay, I'm just moving it out. Wait, okay. So, now this is where you take your texture and you just put it in one of these slots. Like this is the upper body is the upper alpha. And so we just have to take that and drag it, pop it right there. And you can see we have made our alpha. And then you can click save. And because we're wearing it, it baked it. So that's how you make an alpha. Okay, and if you have to see, I was already wearing another alpha. Oh no, these weren't alphas. Where's the alpha? Wearing alpha. Example, maybe I'm just not seeing it. Let's close that. Appearance, edit outfit. Should be showing us that we're system. Where's my alpha? Oh, there it is. It's probably staring me right in the face and I didn't see it before. Hit the little thing there, and you can get that to you can see it makes it completely invisible, and there's the alpha. It doesn't matter what the colors are. White just usually means 100% visible. So anyway, okay, so that's that one. Let's see what it looks like with the ping. So let's click here first, and we're going to set it to blank. Nope, that didn't work. Default. There we go. Okay, so we got it back to the default, and now we will drag over the TGA alpha, and it works just as well. And I just put the ping back on simply because it's such a smaller, so much smaller of a file, even though it's 10 by 24. I don't know if once it uploads to Second Life it makes any difference. And since we were going back to the way it was with this, it's not having me save it. Okay. So, but this is, oh, that's because this outfit that I'm wearing normally doesn't have the alpha in it. So yeah, so that's pretty easy. How to make an alpha. You know, like I said, it all depends on if the dev kit that they gave you, if it has the same UVs as in Second Life, which are usually the Second Life Lin Lab default UVs. MayaStar avatar does not have the Second Life default UVs in it, in the dev kit in MayaStar, because we give you the full avatar body with the same edge loops and vertex positions and everything as the bodies. So it's a sort of a security measure. The way other dev kit providers, other mesh body designers, the way they do it is they usually will subdivide the body a lot and then decimate it so that what they give you in the dev kit is not anywhere close to the body that they sell in Second Life, which makes it harder to rig actually for those bodies, a bit harder to rig, but they sometimes will give you the UVs for that body so that you can make your own alphas. But like I said, that's why we made our auto alpha generator feature in MayaStar 6 and MayaStar 7, so that you don't have to have the Second Life UVs, because that's our security measure since we're giving you the actual body to rig onto. And two, it makes it easier. You can make an alpha quicker by having that feature. But that feature does not work with any other bodies. I've tried to see if I could. I didn't create the feature, Optimo did, and I've tried renaming the other dev kit body and trying to make sure that it had all the same textures, but it doesn't work. So it doesn't work with other bodies. It only works with the MayaStar body. So that's why I decided to make this video, is to show you how to make the alphas manually. It's not that difficult of a job. You saw that I did it in about 20 minutes. If I wasn't talking, I probably could have had it done in 5-10 minutes, you know, and it'd be done. So awesome. So have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.